Welcome to our video guide on managing the report by email module. In this video, we'll walk you through the seamless process of automating sales data reports and effortlessly dispatching them via email to external recipients. Let's get started. After installing the module, head to the Modules and Extensions tabs. Locate Report by Email through Quick Search and enable the module by toggling the status switch. To continue working with the module, click the Report by Email button. To initiate a new report, click the Insert button. On the Create Report page, choose Report Status and Time Interval Type for sending reports by email. Enter the recipient email in the designated field. Select from the drop-down list a particular day of the week to send your weekly reports to recipients on that specific day. Toggle switches to include optional information fields for customization, product model, product name, order status, and more. Complete the process by clicking Save. Now, on the Report by Email page, you can view your reports in a tabular format. Columns include sending time interval type, report creator, report status, date and time of report creation, and actions applicable to your report. Utilize Quick Search for efficient report location. Customize the display of records per page for easy handling. That's it. You've successfully navigated the Report by Email module, enhancing your ability to automate and customize sales reports. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for more useful insights.